Welcome into my office. Brian here with you. We're going to now take a look at this very interesting and uncommon 19th century Virginia tourist book like so. It's in an original 19th century cloth binding that has had some expert book binding work done to it in the past like so. It has new end papers with the original end papers here. Actually, the paste downs have been retained by the binder. It's clean, tight, and sound. And when we get here to the title page, we will see it's 1870, and it has sketches and drawings within it, as well as a large folding map here at the front, done by lithography, which I will very carefully unfold for you now. It has rail lines as well as stage coach routes and canal routes on it. The map is clean and well preserved. Very interesting map indeed. And so I'll show you the rest of the interior briefly. The copyright here tells us it is a first edition, probably the only printing of it. And here are the contents, various aspects of the state, like so. And traveling around the state and the springs, the sulfur springs and the caves and so on. Little chapter heading devices and tail pieces like so. And there are these full page illustrations, line drawings throughout. And this is, you'll notice that it's quite clean and tight. And there let's take a look here. Yes, a list of illustrations like so, which are all present. And that is how this book survives. And if it interests you, it is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.